Are you scared to use Siri because it sounds like the Terminator? Well, the people at Hook Mobile got you hooked up with the Cali Caliente Special. 2 voices that are a lot more confident.
Hey, so what are we gonna do tonight, man? What are we gonna
Let's
do?
go to the strip club.
Oh, not even that.
We got this. We got all the girls over there. And
Make it rain.
Make it
All right,
rain.
hold on.
Making checks.
Siri, find location to the nearest strip club.
Y'all need Jesus. I'm redirecting you to the nearest church where y'all can pray. Hallelujah!
I already. We confessed last week. We went to church on Sunday. That doesn't count.
Mark, did you fix the plumbing?
I don't know what's wrong
Shut
with
up and listen.
I don't know what the problem may be.
Call somebody.
Siri, how do you fix plumbing?
No, pues tengo aquí un tío que se llama Felipe y que aquí vive aquí en la esquina, te lo arregla de volada.
Llamando Felipe.
Does he have the proper certification?
Sí, nomás dale unas chelas y te arregla tus pipitas.
Siri, what happened last night?
No, pues te fuiste con tu tío Armando a tomarte unas chelas y después te fuiste con alguien raro.
Hello, señor. How are you doing?
What are you looking for, sir?
I want a pound of your strongest cocaine.
We sell by kilos, ese.
Siri, how many pounds are in a kilo?
I don't know him.
Look, ese. Serio pedo como mis nalgas, ese.
¡Ah, corre! ¡Te van a violar!